If you are tired of using the default background on Discord, this tutorial review will show you how you can set an attractive background on Discord. So the first thing you have to do is install the Better Discord. To do that, go to your browser and open betterdiscord.app website, and here click on download, and the Better Discord installer will be download. All you have to need is just install the Better Discord, then click on themes, and here you will get lots of theme for your Discord. You can download any of them easily. Simply click on this download button and you will get the theme CSS file. Once it's downloaded, open your Discord app. Make sure to open the Discord app, not web version. On your Discord app, click on user settings. Once you install the Better Discord, you will get the Better Discord section here, and instead of this section you have to click on themes and click on open themes folder, and you will see the theme folder has been opened. Open the download folder in another window, and here you will get the downloaded theme. All you have to need is just drag and drop it here. Once you added the theme here, you will see the theme has been added to your Discord. Now enable the theme and you will see your Discord theme has been changed. So this is how we can change Discord theme or Discord background. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.